If you're anything like me and you really enjoy eating popcorn, oh my goodness, and you get those little kernel things stuck in your teeth, oh my goodness. Well, this comes in handy. These are plackers. These are like floss dental like strings, okay? I really enjoy these right here. I purchased these on Amazon. See, right here, they get right in between your tooth and get all that dirty, cruddy stuff out of your all out in between your teeth. Also, if you're good into flossing, you just have braces or whatnot, and you need to brush your teeth and then clean in between your teeth. These come in absolutely handy right here. But I mainly, as you see, I don't have braces, but I mainly use this for whenever I have food stuck in between my teeth and I'm out in public and I don't want to dig all up in my mouth and stuff. I use these right here. They come in handy right here. These little floss tips right here. Plackers, high performance, smell like everyone's watching. Floss tips. That's what I call them, floss tips, okay? But this is what I use to floss in between my teeth, y'all. They come in, they're very handy, right? Okay? You get a lot of them, so it'll last you a while. You see, right here, I've had this bag for a while because I don't get things stuck in my teeth often, but I do get things stuck in my teeth. So I do use this right here. So this is what I use, placards. Dental floss. That's what I'm trying to say. Dental floss tips. It has a little place right here at the end that you can use to get down in there as well. But I mainly use this end and it works fine. Just like that. And once you finish using it, you just dispose of it in a trash can. So there you go. Dental floss.